time to face the future.
Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Imagine being able to create your own anime character from just a simple idea. Professionally edit that character, automatically generate a complete character sheet, and then turn it into a cinematic animated video, all inside a single platform. Today, we're going to explore PixAI, so let's get started. First, open your browser and search for PixAI. Once you open the website, you'll arrive on the PixAI homepage. PixAI is much more than just an AI image generator. It's also a massive creator community. Here you can explore artwork from other creators, get inspiration from their prompts and lauras, follow talented artists, and even participate in community contests to earn credits today. PixAI has more than 15 million registered users, over 4 million monthly active users, and it is even ranked #1 in the graphics and design category on the Japan App Store. Before we begin the workflow, let's log in from the top right corner. After logging in, you'll see the PixAI dashboard. From here, you can access image generation, editing, video generation, and all of the platform's community features. You can also browse creations from other users for inspiration. Now let's click on Generation. At the top of the Generation page, you'll find PixAI's complete creative workflow. The first option is Generate, where you can create new images and videos. Next is Edit, which lets you refine or modify existing images. Enhance improves image quality. Video is used to animate images and create video workflows. And Mio.2 is PixAI's AI assistant that helps you throughout the creative process using natural language. Since we're creating our character from scratch, we'll start with the Generate workflow inside Generate. You'll see two options, image generation and video generation. In this tutorial, we'll begin with image generation. At the top, you'll also find smart tools like Prompt Helper and Autocomplete. If you're new to prompt writing, these features can automatically expand simple ideas into detailed prompts, helping you generate much higher quality results. Now let's enter our prompt. Now that our prompt is ready, let's configure the settings on the right side to get the best possible image quality. The first option is Mode. Here you'll find Light, Standard, Pro, and Ultra. For the highest image quality, I'm selecting Ultra Mode next. We have Style presets. If you're aiming for a specific visual style, you can choose one from here below. That is the watermark option, which you can turn on or off depending on your preference. Now let's move to one of the most important settings. The model PixAI offers a wide variety of AI models. For this demo, I'm selecting Tsubaki.2, which is PixAI's anime-focused model. It's specially optimized for expressive anime characters, clean rendering, and strong character consistency. Next comes the LoRa section. One of PixAI's biggest strengths is its massive community LoRa library. Thousands of creators have uploaded LoRas that allow you to generate different anime styles, outfits, and visual aesthetics. I'll choose a suitable anime-style LoRa for this character. For the aspect ratio, I'm selecting 16:9 since I'll be using this image later for the image-to-video workflow and YouTube content. For the best image quality, I'll set the resolution to large next. I'll change number of images to batch times 4. This generates 4 variations from the same prompt, allowing us to compare them and choose the best result. Under the Advanced section, you'll find additional generation settings that you can customize whenever needed. Now all of our recommended settings are configured, so let's click Generate Within. Just a few seconds, our results are ready. Since we selected batch times 4, PixAI generated 4 different variations from the same prompt. This is incredibly useful because it allows you to compare the composition, lighting, and character details before choosing the strongest image for your project. These results already look great, but I'm going to generate another batch to make the final output even more polished. After the second generation, the results are even better. Each generation can improve composition, lighting, and character details. I'll select my favorite image, and we'll use it throughout the rest of the workflow. Now that our character is ready, let's explore one of PixAI's most impressive one-click features, the character sheet generator. For that, we'll move to the Toolbox section. Inside the Toolbox, PixAI offers a wide range of ready-made AI tools that can generate different creative outputs with just one click. You'll find tools like Character Ad Generator, Magazine Cover Generator, Plushie Generator, AI Kissing Video Generator, and many more. However, the feature we're focusing on today is the Character Sheet Generator. This tool creates multiple consistent views of the same character automatically. If you're creating comics, games, VTubers, animations, or AI influencers, it's an excellent way to maintain character consistency across future projects. This tool is specifically designed for creators who want to organize their character's outfit details, accessories, and overall design into a professional character sheet. On the left side, you'll find the image upload area. You can either drag and drop your image, upload it manually, or choose one directly from your PixAI gallery if you've already generated it on the platform. On the right side, PixAI provides a step-by-step tutorial explaining the workflow. Simply upload your image, select your preferred language, click Generate. PixAI will automatically analyze your character and generate a complete character sheet, including hairstyle, outfit, accessories, color palette, and other important visual details. Once the generation is complete, you can see the original image on the left and the automatically generated character sheet on the right. The AI organizes the hairstyle, facial expressions, outfit design, accessories, footwear, and color palette into clean sections. This type of character sheet is incredibly useful for artists, game developers, VTuber creators, and AI content creators because it helps maintain visual consistency across future projects. Now let's animate this same character. The generated image is already loaded as the input. All we need to do now is describe the motion we want. The more detailed your prompt is, the more cinematic and realistic the animation will be. Next, let's configure the video settings. First, we'll choose the video generation model. For this demo, I'm using v3.2 below. You can choose the video duration. I'll select 10 seconds, which is perfect for quick cinematic animations. If you want built-in sound effects or audio, you can choose your preferred language. If you plan to add music later in CapCut or another editor, you can simply leave the audio turned off. Now all of our settings are complete. Click Generate, and PixAI will transform the static image into a cinematic animated video. And just like that, our video is ready. After the animation is generated, PixAI provides a preview where you can review the character movement, hair animation, camera motion, and overall quality. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always adjust the prompt or settings and generate another version. So far, we've seen how PixAI can transform a simple anime image into a cinematic animated video. But PixAI goes far beyond image and video generation. Now let's explore Mio.2, PixAI's AI-powered creative assistant that helps turn your ideas into high-quality anime artwork using natural language. When we open Mio.2, a dedicated AI anime agent interface appears. If you're using it for the first time, simply log in and start a new chat. You can interact with Mio.2 using either text or images. If you're not comfortable writing prompts or want to make your ideas more creative, Mio.2 is incredibly helpful. You simply describe your idea in natural language, and it automatically transforms it into a detailed prompt along with high-quality artwork. Mio.2 is especially useful for beginners because it doesn't just generate images. It understands your ideas, improves your prompts, and provides creative suggestions, making professional anime artwork much easier to create. So that's how you can use PixAI's complete workflow to go from a simple idea to stunning anime artwork and cinematic animated videos. If you'd like to try PixAI for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.